Welcome back. Now, one of the applications you have available to you is called Microsoft Lists. And you can click inside of the list icon on your dashboard. And basically, as you'll see here, Microsoft Lists will allow you to track and visualize data together with a team, friends, or family all in one space using Microsoft accounts. And basically, you're going to see that Microsoft Lists will give you assets that you can use, which you can create from scratch using a blank list, or you can use the templates that Microsoft Lists has available for you. So for example, assuming that what you want to do is to monitor the scheduling of specific content. Now basically you're going to see that there's going to be a template with pre-filled in information. Now you're going to use the format as a jumpstart to determine how you're going to use this particular template as well as Microsoft Lists. And it's a good idea anytime that you're going to use any of these newer applications inside of Microsoft 365 that you start with a template, you start to edit that template, and then you determine how you're going to use the application. We're going to use this individual template that's already been pre-filled in called Content Scheduler, and we're going to click Use Template. We're going to give this remade template a name. You can give the list a color, and you can choose a specific icon for the list. Once you do that, you're then going to click Create. And what you'll notice is that you have a format for a specific list. And what you can now do is you can add in an entry to the existing format, or you can change the format. You can change the format by adding a specific kind of column, and you have different kinds of columns that you can add. Or you can make changes to the columns that you have. So for example, we can click on this specific column. We can then go to the column settings. We can then edit the column settings, and we can turn this column into what we want it to be. We can use the more options if we want to require that this column retains information. So basically, what you can do with Microsoft Lists, you can use the templates to modify into a specific format, or you can go to Microsoft Lists and you can create your own list from scratch. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.